angels, there's some very certain kind of signs or symptoms, and I write about this, I believe in my book, Diary of a Ghost Whisperer, and I talk even more about it in my book, Supernatural Survival Guide. But when you're dealing with fallen angels, one of the things that's quite typical is I will find dark hairs in strange places. I know that sounds strange, but like literally, you'll just find like hair. It's obviously very unpleasant. Um, Find having like very strong, weird goosebumps is one other sign, and negative thoughts, obviously. And then angels will use certain channels to communicate, like angel numbers, giving us signs and messages. If you're feeling really confused, let's say you're getting like mixed messages about something, then a lot of times there's a fallen angel that may be, messing with you and kind of, so you'll get one message and then you'll get like just the opposite message and you're confused, like what do I do? And one of the ways to help clear out that kind of fallen angel energy is to clear out toxins, because fallen angels are extremely toxic. And so if you're struggling with this, it's important to clear out toxins in your life or toxic people and situations in your life. So that could be literally like, toxic chemicals. It could also be, that you're in some kind of toxic relationship. And I believe that the universe is very much like the Netflix queue. Are you familiar with Netflix? Do you watch Netflix?
Absolutely.
So whatever you watch on Netflix, you get sent more of that, right? So, there's this algorithm, and I think the universe the world is very much like this. There's this kind of universal algorithm in terms of whatever you say yes to, whatever gets brought into your life, you get sent more of that. So if you want to not have a certain something in your life, you need to look at what is it that I'm engaging with that's kind of in that similar way in my life, and then start releasing it. So because fallen angels are extremely toxic, if you have toxic situations, relationships, literal physical toxins in your life, you're kind of inviting that energy into your life. So when I was struggling with, this kind of fallen angel energy, one of the things I had to do was clear out toxic people in my life, and then also physical toxins. So I started realizing that a lot of the products that I was using, which by the way are just kind of mainstream products, were quite toxic, and I started looking things up on the Environmental Working Group, and there's another site called Cosmetic DNA where you can look up the ingredients of certain products, and it can tell you, how they are on toxicity scale. So as I cleared out toxins and toxic situations, then I released that energy, and I was no longer attracting kind of toxicity into my life, including fallen angels.
Now, that's another thing that I was wondering about is the DNA. There was reports